everyone, and welcome to my craft room. My name is Shawnee and we are Glitzy Stitches Home DIY. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. Today we're going to be participating in the Farm Fresh and Fabulous Challenge. Today's hosts are Crafty Hints by Chantel, Brenda of Rustic and Lace, and Amanda of 6 Kids and a Glue Gun. I'll have each of their channel links in my description box below, as well as the link to the awesome playlist, guys. Check it out. It's going to be fabulous. What we're going to do, DIY number 1 today. Really simple, guys. We're going to be taking this wooden plank. I purchased this at the Dollar Tree, and this is nice. It's nice and thick. We're going to remove the back just because I'm going to know this back is there and it's going to bug me. So I'm going to go ahead and heat it up with my glue gun a little bit. We're going to take this back right off. I have some chalk paint in the color Celery by Waverley. We're going to go ahead, shake this up really well, pour a little bit on my pad here, and we're going to cover this piece of wood with the Celery chalk paint. Just like so. I'm going to go ahead and put 2 good coats on here of our Waverly chalk paint in the color Celery on this. I think this is so pretty. We're going to go ahead and leave this in the vertical position, and I'm going to take, this has a little frame. I'm going to try to put this on here. This sticker is so pretty. I just purchased it at a garage sale. It was in a little kit, and it's for the month of May, and I just love it. So I'm going to try to keep pretty true to the pattern that was on the sticker pad. I'm going to go ahead and put this up here like so. There we go. Just like this. I'm going to frame it out. It's so cute. I just love the way this lays. Try to get as straight as possible. This is so easy, guys. Quick, easy project to give to Mom for Mother's Day. It's so beautiful. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put our May up here. It has, has a little ladybug right there. It's so cute. Okay. You can put Mod Podge over this when you're finished if you'd like. That would be awesome. You don't have to use all the stickers if you don't want to. It says May. This one says May. Lily of the Valley is the flower. Okay. So cute. Emerald is the birthstone of May. And this is happiness. Okay, just like this. Every time I hear happiness now, and it relates to a craft, I think of my friend over at Happiness Created, Tammy. Okay, and there's some flowers. Put these on, and of course we have to add our bee. You may not get all of these in here, but we'll get them. There we go, like so. And then of course it says Mother's Day. All right, we got to get that one on there. Mother's Day. We're going to kind of slant that. Just put them like you'd like. I think these are adorable. So cute. Give her a little bee. We might go outside the box here a little bit. Put a little bee on there. That's adorable. Oh, I'm loving this, guys, already. This is so cute. Put our little spade right there, and then our little flower seed packet over here. Oh my goodness, this is cute. There we go. Just like so. I love it. It's that simple and easy. Turned out absolutely adorable. And there we have it. And I've simply just taken some jute twine and made our hanger in the back with some hot glue and a couple pieces of painter's tape to just reinforce that. I think this turned out absolutely adorable. On to DIY number 2. For DIY number 2, what we're going to need is you'll need a piece of material, and I just cut this material to size with one of the Dollar Tree crates. And how I did that, literally, guys, is I took it and I went just like that, because we are going to like hem this up with some hot glue, or you can use your Aleene's tacky glue. You can use a fabric glue. Today, for time purposes, we're just going to do it with some hot glue. Okay, so you'll need one of the Dollar Tree crates, a piece of material measured to size for the crate. I have a wooden dowel that I purchased at the Dollar Tree in a pack, and we're going to measure this to size, just like so. Okay, I want it a wee bit. I'm going to go ahead and put one of the toys right here. We're going to measure it just like so. What I'm doing, I put the dowel on just like this, and I'm going to go just like that. I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to mark my spot. We're going to set this aside for now. I'm going to take the tag off the bottom of our crate. Antique wax by Waverley is what we're going to use on our crate. I'm going to give it a little bit of color. Not too much. I'm doing this very, very lightly. We have everything stained and it's dried. What we're going to do is I'm going to take the little rods that we've taken for the tires on our wagon, and I'm going to place them half inch, about a half inch from the end. This does not have to be precise, guys. I'm just going to eyeball this. I just want our dowel to stick really nicely to this. So just like that, nice and straight. There we go. Now, even as possible. Let's see how that did. Perfect. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue in the dowel, just like this. You don't need much. And you can also use wood glue if you'd like. That'd be awesome. That'll give you that more permanent hold. And what I've done is I've taken some of our dowel rod, cut it at an angle with our miter shears, and just taken a piece of a skewer and put right across there for our handle for our cart. And I'm just going to hot glue that on. And again, it's your choice. You can also use wood glue if you'd like to. And if you do decide to use the wood glue with your hot glue, I would suggest that you not mix the two. There we go. All right, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to make an awning. And our awning is going to be lavender. Just like so. Okay, we're going to take our miter shears and we're going to cut straight across. Just like that. Okay, and we'll measure our other 4 skewers out just by taking the previous one and marking it at that spot and cutting it straight across. To attach our skewers, we're simply going to take hot glue around the skewer all the way up and put it directly real tight into the corner. Now for the front, there's a piece on here that looks pretty nice and hemmed on our canopy. So I'm going to go ahead and measure this one more time. Okay. Now, I'm going to go around the edges just with some hot glue. If you have to trim it up a little bit, guys, you can do so with your scissors. Trim it up a little bit where I see I might have gotten uneven. You can also cut this with your rotary cutter, which I do have, and I just did not take the time to get it out. So, all right, let's see. So what I want to do, all right, I just want to hem it a little bit just to have that nice clean edge right like that. I'm just going to take some of my hot glue and I'm just going to go right along here, just like that. Just give it a nice fold up, guys. You can use your finger protectors for this and or your silicone spatula. It would work great. Now, let's try this out and see if it's going to fit. It's going to be perfect. Absolutely perfect. We're just going to put it just like this. Okay. And how we're going to do this, guys, I'm literally just going to dab some hot glue on the end of each skewer, just like so. Any phrase we'll go back and pick up later. Okay. You could string lights on this. You can do anything you want with this. A little more hang in the front, a little more overhang. You can pull this as tight as you want, just like that. Just make sure that sticks right down. Perfect. Just like that. I think this is adorable. It looks so cute. Little remnant of floral foam right here that I have. I'm going to put some hot glue on there. Actually, I'm going to use my other hot glue. There we go. Just like so. I'm going to go down here. We're going to stick this right in the center of our cart. Just like that. Taken a piece of floral foam and we've just simply hot glued it to the bottom of our cart. And what we're going to do now is I'm going to take this Spanish moss. We're going to fill this with some Spanish moss, and then we want to start putting our lavender in. So pretty. I just love this little cart. And now for a final touch, what we're going to do is I have this little sign that says thank you from this pack that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. And we're going to literally, I'm going to cut this out, stick our sign to it just like this. Oh my word, is this adorable. I am loving this. You want to kind of have it hanging a little bit on an angle, just like so. To give our cart that added little extra, I've taken just a slat from another Dollar Tree crate and I've stained it, and we're going to set it right here, right in this slat. And how we're going to do that, guys, is I am simply going to add some hot glue right to this edge here. Just going to add that hot glue right there. And I'm just simply going to slide this right in to our, right there. Make us a nice little ledge for our, now what we're going to do, we have our ledge on. What we're going to do is I have this mini little flower pot. Oh my goodness. So cute. We're going to go ahead and put a little hot glue on that. Just like so. Put that right over here. Oh my word, how adorable. And we're also going to add a little seed bowl. Just like this. And a little watering jug. I think this is absolutely adorable, guys. This is probably one of my favorite projects I've ever done. This is so cute. A little flower cart. And on to DIY number 3. The third and final DIY. We're going to go ahead and do 2 previous DIYs that I have done, and I'm going to combine them together. For this, I had previously done this, and we're going to revamp this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to simply take some Waverly chalk paint in the color Elephant, and I'm going to paint my candle pedestal. And I want to thank Chantel, Brenda, and Amanda for hosting and co-hosting this awesome challenge today. I love farmhouse, anything farmhouse. My kitchen is farmhouse, and I love it. So thank you, ladies. There we go. So lots and lots of hot glue. This is my high temp glue gun, and guys, it gets hot, very, very hot. Okay, so we're going to go ahead, we're going to put it on there. Just, it fits perfectly. Absolutely perfectly. I think that is absolutely beautiful. Let me go ahead and turn this light off and see if we can get a better, there we go. Yeah, not as much glare. I think that is absolutely beautiful. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to turn the light back on. Okay, I'm going to distress this, guys. We have got to have this distressed. So I'm going to take a little bit of Waverly white chalk paint. We're going to dry brush this. Go ahead and take my chip brush here, my favorite one, nice and used. The raggedy, the better on these dry brushes, guys. Just like so, and you do not need much. Stay tuned for our final reveal. And if you like what you've seen today, go ahead and give me a great big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell next to your subscription, and you'll be notified each time I upload new video. I can also be found on Instagram and Facebook at Glitzy Stitches Home DIY. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye.